Shenzhen Hunting Technology Company established in 2016, which is a company integrating R&D, production, and sales service of hunting trail, infrared camera, and night vision series products. Let's go and see it. We are located in the key industrial parks of Shenzhen City, with the professional logistic and warehousing management system, perfect assembly production equipment in a great sterile dust-proof workshop, and strict product quality testing line and checking room, etc. We have a well-serviced international sales team to take care of worldwide OEM and ODM orders, smoothly design, sample, production, QC, packaging, shipping till the products reach your place. We have our own registered brand HunterCam and patents for product design and appearance, as well as the related international certificates CE, FCC, RoHS, etc. Better products, better business, better service, better cooperation. Choose us. Let's win together.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.